Hi, animal lovers! Welcome back to our channel! Are you excited to uncover some mind-blowing animal facts? Let's dive into the wild world of awesome animal knowledge together. Ready for the adventure? Subscribe to our channel and let's get started! First, which animal has the most powerful sense of hearing? Elephant or bat? Answer is bat. Who sleeps with one eye open? Dolphin or whale? Perfect! Dolphin! Who eats up to 3,000 times a day? Seahorse or crab? Seahorse, exactly! Who is the best mimic of human sounds? Parrot or macaw? Of course, parrot! Which animal doesn't have blood at all? Any guesses? Starfish or octopus? Nailed it! Starfish! Can you guess which animal only sleeps about an hour each day? Leopard or giraffe? Giraffe! Which one hibernates? Hedgehog or deer? Hedgehog! Which animal can survive years without water? Kangaroo rat or camel? Correct! Kangaroo rat! Who's the fastest runner? Ostrich or kangaroo? Ostrich! Here's a tricky one. Which of these has teeth? Snail or frog? Snail! Which animal can survive in extreme heat? Penguin or scorpion? It's scorpion! Which creature has the strongest bite? Crocodile or lion? Crocodile! Which animal loves spending more time in the water? Crocodile or hippopotamus? Hippopotamus! Which animal has the most teeth? Shark or catfish? It's the catfish! Who's the super strong lifter here? Gorilla or ant? Which one is considered to be smarter, parrot or pig? Correct, pig! What's the most venomous animal in the world? Snake or jellyfish? Jellyfish! Which animal is the slowest mover of all? Sloth or tortoise? Sloth! Which one has more arms? Octopus or squid? Squid! animal can nap for years? Tortoise or desert snail? Desert snail! Which of these sleepyheads snoozes the longest in a day? Sloth or koala? That's right, koala! Which of these defends itself by shooting blood? Horned lizard or crab? Horned lizard. Which is the largest land carnivore? Polar bear or tiger? Of course, polar bear. Who flaps their wings the fastest? Hummingbird or bee? Bee. Who has the longest tongue? Giraffe or anteater? Giraffe. Who's the biggest feline in the world? Tiger or lion? Tiger! Which one weighs less than a kilo? Chicken or meerkat? Answer! Meerkat. Which animal has the sharpest sense of smell? Dog or horse? Nailed it! Dog! Who sings to communicate with their buddies? Whale or dolphin? Whale! Who is the fastest flyer? Dragonfly or butterfly? That's right, dragonfly! Who can regrow their limbs? Jellyfish or octopus? Octopus. Which animal can breathe underwater and on land? Frog or snake? Frog! Which animal has the thickest skin? Rhinoceros or elephant? Answer! Rhinoceros? Which animal changes color to blend in with its surroundings? Chameleon or snake? Chameleon! Which one is a reptile? Iguana or pangolin? Iguana. Which bird can solve complex puzzles? Crow or parrot? Perfect, crow! Which one has terrible eyesight? Goat or ferret? Of course, ferret! Great white shark or orca? Exactly, orca! Which one is more venomous? Cobra or sea snake? Sea snake! Who has the longest lifespan, tortoise or elephant? Tortoise. Which animal lays the most eggs at once? Frog or turtle? Who can't jump? Elephant or rhinoceros? Elephant. Which bird can fly backward? Hummingbird or butterfly? Hummingbird. What's the largest invertebrate? Giant squid or jellyfish? Giant squid! Who can regenerate its entire body? Starfish or jellyfish? Perfect! Starfish! Which animal can survive without its head for several days? Cockroach or ant? Exactly, cockroach! Who can live the longest without oxygen? Turtle or tick? Nice! Tick! Which one sleeps standing up? Horse or cow? Horse! What's the fastest animal in the air? Peregrine falcon or bat? Peregrine falcon! Which animal has the longest migration route? Monarch butterfly or humpback whale? It's humpback whale! Who has the largest eyes relative to their body size? Mantis shrimp or an owl? It's mantis shrimp! Who has the toughest hide? Crocodile or rhino? Crocodile! Who can change its gender during its life? Clownfish or eagle? Exactly, clownfish! Which animal has the longest migration journey? Arctic tern or monarch butterfly? Arctic tern! Who has the most advanced camouflage abilities? Chameleon or octopus? Octopus. Which mammal lays eggs? Platypus or kangaroo? Correct, platypus. Which animal has the most diverse diet? Raccoon or panda? Raccoon! Who can sleep with half of their brain awake? Dolphin or shark? It's a dolphin! Which of these giants is the heaviest? Elephant or whale? Whale! Who has the strongest sense of smell? Dog or bear? Obviously, bear! How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun quizzes.